Alright YouTube, this is going to be a super short little video on motor mounts. Your SLK engine is running it perfectly fine, but you still feel a lot of vibration and you hear noise inside the cabin and it feels like the engine is running rough, but it's running correctly. You might have bad motor mounts. But look at these two compared to this. This is the old and these are the new. You can see this part here is higher and this is crushed down and it's failing. Your motor mounts look like that, you might need new motor mounts. Now I'm not going to really go into all the detail of how to install these, but basically you have to jack up the engine. You can either use the engine hoist or you can do it from underneath. So I'll show you real quick underneath how I did it this time. Last time I used the engine hoist, this time I'm using a jack. So next will be underneath the car. So I went in from the left side like so, and I jacked the car up at the junction point between the transmission and the engine. So I'll show you that now. So you see exactly where I lifted. It's a good point to lift. You can see there, right between the engine and the transmission. Let's see if you can see it. Let's get a good view of that. That's a good point to lift from. All right. And then, in relation to that, the engine mounts, the bolt on the bottom is right here on this side. Okay, there's that little hole. Go straight across on this member. That's the left side. On the right side, it's right here. It's going to be 13 millimeter. On the top is a 16 millimeter. And on the left side over here, you have to just take this little piece off. Here. This little, it's like a little shot that goes from side to side. You take that off, and you'll have access, and you'll be able to maneuver and get that motor mount off once you take the two bolts off. Now, you jack the engine up maybe just an inch, inch or two is all it takes, and then to get the left side off, I turned the wheel, as you can see here. You can see that. I had to turn the wheel to the right. Okay. On the left side, turn the wheel to the right. Right side, I don't know yet, because I don't remember what I had to do last time, but it'll be pretty easy to figure out. But it's just good to know that by turning the wheel, you can make yourself enough room to get the motor mount out. That's what you need to do. You need to rotate that wheel, and you need to remove this little lateral shock. There's two bolts, one on either end. If you don't do that, you're going to experience frustration. Okay, so that's going to be basically it for this video. I'm not going into all the details of exactly how to do it. There's not much else to it, really. Let me show you the top. Let me show you one little point on the top. What I wanted to show you on the top side about taking this left one loose is just access to the bolt. Now, I already took the bolt out, but I'm going to show you. If you go right in between that first intake manifold intake for cylinder number one, you go between those two, you'll see the hole. We'll go nice and slow. You'll see the hole for that bolt that holds the motor mount on. It's right in the middle. Look straight down there, and it's silver. And that hole, so this is a straight shot. This is the best way to get that bolt off. It's right there in the middle, okay? It may seem like you can go from some other angle, but this is the best location, right in between intakes 1 and 2. Right in between those two is how to get that top bolt off. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Okay, I lied. This is what it looks like. And I have the, I've just installed the new one. And you can see I have the ratchet on it. And then that's what, take the ratchet out of the way. That is what it looks like installed. Okay, that is the new one. There's the bolt, 16 millimeter, and that is the new installed motor mount from top view. All right, so that's it for real this time. Have a nice day. All right, guys, I'm sorry for this emotional just toying here, but after doing the right side, I realized I had to say more. You cannot access the top bolt from the top. you have to access the top bolt from the right side from the bottom. Let me show you. Down we go. All right, so under. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's gonna be kind of like delivering a baby, getting it out, okay? So here it is, okay? There's the motor mount, right there, okay? Motor mount is, oh my God, how can I hold this? I need to hold this camera, phone, and point. So how do I get my other hand in there? Okay. All right, here it goes. I don't want to touch the screen, oh my God. All right, okay, so here's the motor mount right here, okay? I've got it out this way. Now, to access that top bolt, you need to go around the back side here, okay? You need to work your arm up in there and get the top bolt. See there the top bolt is? Sticking out right there? You gotta go around here, around the back. Around here to get to that top bolt. You don't have to take anything off the top, inside the engine compartment. If you do that, you will experience frustration or you will overkill and take out the supercharger and everything else for no good reason. All right, and you don't have to take anything else loose on this side. So once I realized that, I said, you gotta say something or don't put this video on. All you gotta do is snake your hand in there. It's a little bit tricky, 16 millimeter. The best tool for me was a ratchet. So once I get it on there, I can just keep on cranking. And then you just have to really jack the engine up quite a bit until you start hearing stuff creak. All right, on that location back there, right here, where I showed you before, okay? And that will allow you to snake that little motor mount out from the side here, right behind the alternator. And it works best if you kind of come out, you know, from like over here. You have to push it back and around and out. It is, I'm telling you, it's like delivering a baby. So if you're gonna tackle this one, these are tips to live by. Otherwise, it's gonna suck even more than it already sucks. But I'm almost done. So anyway, I swear, I promise you guys, this is it this time. I'm done, and this is the end of the video. Please give me a thumbs up. Heck of people have been watching my videos, leaving comments, saying thank you, and not leaving thumbs ups. Come on, that helps my channel. Give me some thumbs ups and some shares, guys, so that I can get some benefit from this. Okay? I don't mean to whine and beg, but thanks for watching.